The next method is called insert transaction. So public function insert transaction. It's pretty much the same as we've done with the insert method. The only difference is, again, we're not wrapping anything. We're using the execute transaction rather than the execute method here. So table as the first parameter, and then array or params, whichever name you prefer. We start with the array, which equals this underscore insert array, and array as the parameter. Then we go for if isn't empty. And we go for table and isn't empty our array. Otherwise, we simply return false. Now SQL statement, which will start with insert into table, then space and opening bracket, semicolon after this, SQL concatenating. I'm just going to make sure that everything's aligned. Implode, and we're imploding using the comma, array 0 index, which is basically the fields, SQL, and now we're going for the closing bracket and values, and now placeholders. So SQL concatenating implode, we're using again comma as a separator, and array index 1, which contains all the placeholders, all those question marks, and then SQL concatenating with the closing bracket. Now that we have our SQL statement ready, we're gonna create a variable called return, and we go for this execute transaction this time, and a SQL array, and we take in the values, which is index 2 of the array, and now we check if return is true, then this ID equals this get last insert ID, no parameter, and then return true. Otherwise, return false. And that's it. That's our insert transaction method completed.